The tabs element is a simple way to organize content into sections without overwhelming your pages. Now it's really easy to get started. We're going to go into elements just here and we're going to drag in one of these tab designs. We'll just choose that one there. Now you can change the look and feel of this in lots of different ways. All we need to do is right click on this here and that opens up the settings panel. Now first of all, I've just clicked near the top here and that's taken me into the settings for the tab items themselves. So you see here I've got monthly, yearly and lifetime, and that marries up with the tabs that I've got shown here, monthly, yearly and lifetime. Very easy for me to change orders of these tabs just by dragging them about in this side panel here, and as you can see, really easy for me to rename them like that. If I want to add more tabs, I can do so. Add an item on here. I can delete them as well if I wanted to duplicate any of those. That's really straightforward. Now you've got some other settings that appear as well, so you can have a look through those. The tab header style allows you to change things like, the gap between the items. You can change the margin, the padding, the color options and things like that, all listed down here. So this is for the text and the background color that you can make changes to make it look like your brand. Then tab menu item style, you can change all the different fonts here, the padding, the border, the colors and things like that. And look at the bottom here, you've got active menu style. So at the top you can see how this is highlighted in green. I can change that to whatever I want that to be. So let me make that, I don't know, my brand blue color. You can see how I've changed that very quickly, and I can do that throughout this. So these buttons here, for example, let's say I want to also update those so that they marry up with my brand colors. You see how easy and straightforward it is for me to do that. I can make changes to the cards as well. So I don't know, let's say I don't know, let's go in here. Let's say we can have a green, an amber and a red membership plan, something like that. Yeah, so you can see how quickly you can make these changes. And then you know this is really good for things like feature comparisons or different membership levels and things like that. So you can see you've got these tabs along the top and you can have different information and different branding on different styles. So, I've got this color scheme here. Maybe I want to make some changes to the prices. So on the monthly plan, it's $49, but here it's $149 a year. And here it's $1,099 per month. That wouldn't be a great lifetime price, would it? There we go. So you can see how you can just make these changes as you go through, change the links on the buttons. You can get rid of buttons. You can add bits of information onto these and make it just how you want it to be. Now, let me show you as well. You can also do things like change which of the default tabs appear. So as we work down these settings here, you've got one here, tab settings, the default tab that you want selected when people visit a page. You can choose that here. So if you wanted, for example, to promote the lifetime thing as being the thing that people first saw, you could make that the default tab, and you can change things like the background colors just here across the tab bar and everything. So yeah, that is the tabs feature, and it's a very powerful way of demonstrating different products and different versions of a product and things like that. Each tab can contain any elements you like, and each tab's content is independent. And tabs help keep content organized and improve the experience for your users. I'll see you on the next one.